another to buy or not to buy video. You guys know the drill. These are things I test and try for you and I tell you whether you should buy it or not buy it. First up, we have this guy. Now, what is this guy? Okay, so this is a pet hair remover. Let me show you. This is my secret weapon. You guys know I have Mars and Sammy. They are really hairy. They shed a lot and their beds are constantly covered with hair. Now, that somehow, you know, the hair, once it gets into the fibers of the stuff, it's very difficult to get it off, like your clothes or like vacuum cleaners and stuff don't work on that. You have to still brush it down. This does a wonderful job of that. So you just kind of brush. I don't know, whatever the fabric is here, across it, all the hair gets collected on this, and then you put it into this like this, and you do this. It cleans out all the hair. It's like a magic trick, okay? And then all the hair collects at the base. You just open it and voila, it's amazing. So yeah, I really love using this. It's very effective. As you can see, you can just keep it like this in your house in one little corner. No one's ever going to see it, or just wherever. And it comes with a little guy as well. So this again is really handy for like your car, or if you want to just brush your clothes. If you have a dog or a cat, you're always covered in like hair also. So this is really good for that. It was about $289 on Amazon, which I think is really great for the price. It's not very sturdy and it's all like little rickety, but it does the job. I would definitely say to buy if you have any kind of pet. If you don't have a pet, why are you even watching this? No, not to buy, obviously. Next up, we have clingy. Not what I am, but what I have. It is actually really amazing. Okay, so this was sent to me and I didn't really think anything could hold up like a Pro Max anything, because they're quite heavy, but it's pretty amazing. It comes in like a pack thing with sticking on either side. You stick this onto your phone, and this side, I don't want to touch it to ruin the stickiness. You can just put it onto like any surface and it sticks and stays there. Then when you're done, like this, so that you don't lose the sticky thingy. This is really amazing for someone that likes to like shoot a lot of stuff and not carry a tripod. If you want to just stick this onto your mirror, or if you want to stick this anywhere and create any kind of content, that's pretty amazing. Not just for like creators, but anybody that likes to shoot a lot of videos or images. It's pretty cool. Like you could just stick this anywhere and make a video or take a picture like on self-timer, which is pretty cool. Also, the fact that it holds up a Pro Max is pretty amazing. I'm pretty sure it will hold up anything if it can hold up a Pro Max. So yeah, really liking this. I will definitely say to buy. Ta-da! Okay, so these are the Jeju Volcanic Lava fresh nose strips. I have been dying to try these because I've seen them in a lot of K-drama. These are from the Face Shop. Now, these are those proper hardcore like stronghold like blackhead strips that you stick on to a wet nose. So you're just supposed to wash your face, wet your nose, stick this on, leave it on for like 15-20 minutes, and then when it's kadak, like peel it off and get all the gunk and blackheads and all of that off. Now, my before and after did feel much smoother. Like I did this today and I feel like it's totally smoother. My nose, like at least all the like the peach fuzz and whatever off my nose is gone. All the bigger kind of maybe blackheads that were there have gone. Like obviously the ones that are really deep or whatever, no. But I feel like if you do steam and then maybe do this, it will help more. But overall, I think it worked really well and my nose feels really soft and smooth after, which is what I like. I'm liking that. Price wise, it's 400 for 7 strips, which is not bad, and they really kind of do the job. Like I feel like if you use one of these in a month, you wouldn't reach the stage that I had with my nose, because I hadn't done anything in a really long time and I still got really good results. So definitely to buy, but if you don't have any blackheads, obviously, then you don't need this in your life at all. Not to buy. Up next, time for another magic trick. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you have obviously seen this. This is the Heads Up for Tails P-Lock Super Absorbent Powder. It is actually really good. Okay, so now basically with your pets now, if you have any pets, they obviously at some point will pee, poop, or vomit in your house. It's a normal thing. It's like having a child, and you will have to clean it up. Now, when dogs are actually puppies and stuff, like it's kind of all over the place, and sometimes it gets really messy to kind of clean up all their pee, or if they vomit suddenly and you want to like quickly like stop the, you know, the liquid from flowing in all directions. This is really good for that. Now, it's a powder that you kind of put onto any liquid and it crystallizes and it kind of stops any spill. Now, of course, I don't need it often because Mars is not a dog that really pees in the house that much or whatever. But there are times, obviously, when they also have diarrhea or they have, like, as I said, they vomit with food poisoning and stuff like that. And in that quick moment, it's really convenient to kind of have this as a quick fix for a cleanup. And it's really easy to kind of, you know, clean and less messy and less ewy in that like whole process. So I would definitely say if you have a pet, you should have a bottle of this in the house. You may not use it all the time. You might not use it often at all, but when you need it, it will help you. So if you have a pet, to buy. If you don't have a pet, not to buy because you don't really need this. Or if you have a child, maybe, yeah, it would be good for a child as well. The company doesn't promote it for kids, but I'm giving you a new idea, guys. So guys, those were all the things I tried and tested today for you guys. I tried a few, like, I think normal conventional things like the blackhead strips and some things that were really unique and fun, right? Like the pea lock powder. What is wrong with me today? And the pet brush thingamajig. A lot of pet things. But then I guess when you're like a pet mom, you don't have that option. You just kind of look for things to get things done, right? So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below with other things you want me to try, review and test for you, and I will do that. See you guys. Bye.